Welcome to Cardinal Carter Catholic Secondary School,
where potential meets possibility.
We believe in fostering a faith-filled community guided by the Ontario Catholic School graduate expectations. Here, curiosity meets discovery. And learning comes to life. Cardinal Carter offers a full complement of experiential learning opportunities, like field trips, and cooperative education, and programming to match the interest of every student. Some of our unique programs include the Specialist High Skills Majors programs in construction, health and wellness, and hospitality and tourism. Academies in hockey, dance, and soccer. As well as French immersion and English as a second language. Beyond academies, our students are encouraged to participate in a rich tapestry of extracurricular activities, building character, teamwork, and leadership skills that last a lifetime. At Carter, unity is our strength. Diversity is celebrated and we recognize achievements together. Our community promotes physical and mental well-being and provides a balanced school life for students to enjoy. Join us and be part of something extraordinary. Welcome home.